This is something that I thought up in my head. One day I was riding my bike in Louisville. I was in residency. I knew that I wanted to kind of come towards central Kentucky just because there weren't prosthodontists in this area. My passion to help people and to bring great dentistry to central Kentucky was kind of the goal. Identity Dental Studio, we focus on comprehensive dentistry. So everything that you need, A to Z. We focus a lot on full reconstruction. So whether that be on teeth or on implants, kind of is where we focus all of our efforts. It's really appealing to our patients to be able to come to one location and be able to have surgery and the prosthesis delivered at the same place. It didn't start out that way. We didn't have a lab to begin with. Probably about 2017, I started investing into some technology. The Asiga Max printer was the first thing that we purchased. And then slowly, we added the intraoral scanner and then the design software. So it all kind of started with that Asiga Max. I wanted something versatile that didn't tie me down to like a closed system. So I have the ability to use different resins, to print really great quality. There's just no comparison in the detail and quality that I get out of my Asiga Max. We can design crowns that need to be pressed. We have occlusal guards. We can just store that file and reprint it a number of times. Anytime the patient misplaces it, they left it at the hotel room or something. Oh, no problem. Come in, we'll make you a new one. It's very cost effective on our end. It's not a $200 lab bill. It's $5 a resin. We also have surgical guides, smile makeovers, and mock-ups. The list is long, and we have a wide variety of products that we manufacture with the printer. I really like using the DentaGuide resin because it's usually a fast print. I can print a surgical guide in 30 minutes, have it ready, and fully guide that case to perfection. It's nice and clear, so I make sure that it's fully seated. I can see through it. It's easy to work with, easy to clean. The sleeves typically fit very nicely and snug. It's just a really easy, friendly resin to use. Worlds of opportunities, and we're always evolving. We recently added the Lucitone line for dentures, and indications and the resins continue to change and get better and better. It's kind of a gold standard, one of the go-to printers for manufacturers of resins to test, because so many users have this printer that if our resin works on that printer, there's a market for our resin. So the manufacturers are even drawn to the machine because of the versatility of it. So having the confidence that whatever I'm going to print is going to print. First time, every time.